Can you guess this fruit? It is round and mostly red. Some are green or yellow too. It is crunchy and juicy. This is an apple. Which fruit is long and yellow? It has a soft and sweet inside. Monkeys love to eat it. This is a banana. I am round and orange in color. Who am I? I am juicy and full of vitamin C. My skin is a little rough, but my inside is sweet. This is an orange. I come in small bunches and can be green or purple. Guess me. I am juicy, and you can eat me fresh or dried as raisins. These are grapes. Which fruit is called the king of fruits and is yellow or orange inside? I am sweet, juicy, and loved in summer. This is a mango. I am big, green outside, and red inside with black seeds. Can you name me? I am very juicy and perfect for hot days. This is a watermelon. I have a rough, spiky outside but a sweet yellow inside. Guess me. I taste a little sour and a little sweet. This is a pineapple. I am green or yellow outside, orange inside, and very soft. What am I? I help you stay healthy and strong. This is a papaya. Which fruit has tiny red seeds outside and is bright red inside? I am small, juicy, and heart-shaped. This is a strawberry. I am small and round, and my color is dark red. Birds love to eat me. I taste sweet and a little sour. This is a cherry. I am green outside, pink or white inside, and have tiny black seeds. Can you guess? I am soft and very tasty. This is a guava. I am round, green, or yellow, and I am very juicy. What am I? I am soft and sweet when ripe. This is a pear. I have fuzzy skin and a sweet orange inside. Guess me. I am juicy and soft to eat. This is a peach. I am small, round, and purple. Can you name me? I am juicy and soft. This is a plum. I am pink on the outside and white inside with black seeds. Who am I? I look like a magical fruit. This is a dragon fruit. I am very tiny and blue. Can you guess? I am juicy and full of vitamins. This is a blueberry. I am yellow and green, shaped like a star when cut. What is my name? I am juicy and a little sour. This is a star fruit. I am small, round, and black. You can make juice from me. What am I? I am healthy and tasty. This is a blackcurrant. I have a rough brown shell and white inside. What is my name? I give you sweet water and coconut flesh. This is a coconut. I am small, round, and very sour. Guess me. I am yellow and full of vitamin C. This is a lemon. I am big and yellow outside, but my inside is sticky and sweet. What am I? I have many seeds and a strong smell. This is a jackfruit. I am small, brown outside, and green inside with tiny black seeds. Guess me. I am soft and juicy. This is a kiwi. I am small, round, and black. You can find me in the jungle. Guess me. I am a blackberry. This is a blackberry. I am small, brown, and I grow in clusters. What am I? I have sweet white flesh inside. This is a longan. I am dark red and grow on big trees. I have a hard shell. Can you name me? I am used in sweets and desserts. This is a date. I am small, round, and red. I am often dried and put in sweets. Guess me. I am full of juice and tastes sweet. This is a cranberry. I look like an apple, but I am green and taste sour. What am I? I am crunchy and juicy. This is a green apple. I am small, green, and sometimes black. You can put me on pizza. I am a little salty and tasty. This is an olive. I am small and yellow with a rough skin. I grow in bunches. Guess me. I have a soft white inside. This is a lychee. I am green outside and light green inside. People make a dip with me. What am I? I am creamy and healthy. This is an avocado. I am brown and oval. My name sounds like wood. Guess me. I have an orange inside and am used in health drinks. This is a bale, wood apple. I am small, red, and look like a tiny banana. Can you name me? I taste sweet and soft. This is a red banana. I am a mix of orange and lemon. What am I? I am sour, but also little sweet. This is a sweet lime, Mosambi. I am very tiny and green. People eat me as a pickle. Who am I? I am sour and crunchy. This is a gooseberry.